have our shopping list, our cut list. We're gonna see how it goes.
Thank you so much, Bill from Menards, who had no idea that he was going on a 2-hour journey. He went and found all of these and then cut them. Bill is a real MVP. We're about to sand all of these lovely pieces of wood that my dear Bill cut for us. An electrical sander would be helpful. We do not have that. I went to our Ace Hardware, door number 2 for the day, and got this nice old-fashioned sandpaper. Gotta love it. But sanding was just a terrible idea. It's necessary, but doing it by hand is awful. Exciting things have happened. We have a sander. So, we're gonna do that. It is day 2 of the project. All the wood is sanded. I have my plans, a drill, and some screws. So we will see how this goes. I made a planter by myself with about 0 equipment. Let's show you anybody can build a garden. It's ready for some plants.